Y'all harassing me.
We're not harassing you, ma'am.
I'm pretty sure you are. I'm pretty sure you are. That's my registration.
Hello. I'm Officer calling the Chattanooga Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is your passenger headlight is out.
Okay. That's not a reason to pull me over.
Yes, ma'am, it is. Do you have your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance on you?
Ma'am, you just whipped you just did an illegal U-turn to come over here and harass me.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance on it, please?
I have my driver's license.
Okay. I need your registration, proof of insurance, please.
Ma'am, I'll give you my driver's license, but you don't need nothing else from me because I'm not giving you nothing else because there's no reason for you to pull me because I have not committed a crime.
Yes, ma'am, you have. I need your registration.
I have not committed a crime because that's not a crime that my headlight is out.
Yes, ma'am, it's a traffic violation.
That's not a headlight if it went out while I'm driving. That's not a crime.
I need your registration and your proof of insurance, please.
That's not a crime, ma'am. What you're doing is you're harassing a black woman.
Do you have insurance on your vehicle?
Yes, I have insurance.
Okay.
Are you asking me that because I'm black?
No, ma'am.
You're asking me that because I'm black?
No,
yes,
ma'am.
you are.
Everyone in this state has to have insurance and
ma'am,
proof of it.
that went out while I was driving. I'm not doing nothing illegal. I'm not doing nothing illegal. You're harassing me.
Is this your vehicle?
Is this my vehicle? Yes, it's my vehicle.
Okay, just sit top for me, okay?
I'm not doing nothing illegal. I'm not doing nothing illegal. You're harassing me. Is this my vehicle? Yes, it's my vehicle. This is my vehicle. Why would you ask somebody that? And who are you? Why are you pulling up over here and haven't even identified yourself? I don't even know you.
Hey, whoa. Okay.
No, because I look over here and I don't even know you're a stranger. You haven't even identified yourself.
I am Officer Monroe with Chattanooga Police. I was come back up my partner just to make sure she was okay.
You need to identify yourself. That's part of your
Well, you were in the middle of a conversation, so how was I going to go ahead and be rude?
I don't know who you are. I don't know if you're going to harm me or nothing else.
I'm not here to harm you, ma'am. I've done nothing
Y'all
rude or
pulling
anything
black
like that.
people over for my headlight going out while I'm driving, and she literally did an illegal U-turn so y'all could come follow me in a black community. Y'all white cops in a black community. Y'all harassing me.
We're not harassing you, ma'am.
I'm pretty sure you are. I'm pretty sure you are. That's my registration.
The only reason she asked, have you never borrowed your friend's car or anything like that?
Why would you ask a black person? You wouldn't ask nobody white if they own a car.
We asked everybody.
You shouldn't ask nobody if they own a car. Like, why would I be driving somebody else's vehicle?
Because I've used my partner's.
Y'all can pull up the registration.
I mean,
you know whose name is in. Y'all know that,
ma'am. We haven't been rude at all.
Man,
have
y'all
I
are
raised
harassing me.
Have I raised my voice at all?
Man, listen. I already deal with the Chattanooga Police Department. I'm telling you, man. I know my rights.
Okay.
I know my rights.
We haven't been rude at all, ma'am. I don't understand why you're
whipped around to follow me because my headlights are out. And y'all do this in the black community all the time.
This is where we work.
Your job is to solve violent crime.
And traffic stops, yes.
No, actually it's not. Title 55 under the state title does not give you the right to do that unless I'm participating in doing
It's a traffic violation.
That's not a traffic violation if it went out while I was driving, ma'am. How do
I know that it went out while you were driving?
How do I know that it's out if I am driving in the middle of the night? And are you kidding me? That's what y'all doing out in the community, is pulling black people over if a headlight is out?
We usually go ahead and give warnings and also coupons to go ahead and fix headlights. So I don't understand how you automatically are going to go ahead.
After a long day,
Okay,
and a cop literally pulls, I'm minding my business, literally looped around and did an illegal U-turn, could have hit somebody or anything to come follow behind me.
Mary?
It's not Mary, it's Marie.
Marie, I apologize, okay? Marie, like I said, I'm Officer Monroe. I have not raised my voice at you at all. I've been very calm.
I'm tired of being harassed in my own neighborhood. I don't know y'all, never seen you patrolling in this community. I've lived here for over 30 years of my life. Okay? So you might be new to this community. I don't know you. I know Officer Merriweather and other officers in this community. I don't know you.
Okay.
I ain't never seen you.
Well, it's a pleasure to meet you, Marie. I'm Officer Monroe, and you're correct. Yes, I just moved to this team, so I'm glad that we're actually going to go ahead and meet properly. And like I've said before,
This ain't no properly.
like I've said before, I have not raised my voice at you at all. I have not been rude to you at all. So,
Your partner just literally whipped around and did a legal U-turn
okay.
to come follow me.
She's doing her job.
Her job is to solve violent crime, which Chattanooga Police Department only solves 9% of violent crime in this city. And the majority, 57% of all things that y'all do are non-violent crimes that y'all harass people for.
You've got a lot of facts. Do you look those up?
I got a lot of facts because I'm a community activist, and I see this is the kind of stuff that happens in the black community all the time. One cop pulls us over, 5 cops will pull us. Doesn't happen.
Since you're an activist, do you understand that usually traffic stops for police officers are the most dangerous because we don't know who we're pulling over?
It's not the most dangerous.
It is a lot.
Y'all beat the shit out of a lot of people.
No, we do not.
You don't know Chattanooga history like I do.
Okay.
Just about every interaction I've ever fought for a community person that has been beaten by the cops, tased by the cops, and everything has happened in a traffic stop. And that's outside of the scope of what actually your job is for. And that's under Title 55, which there's already something going on with that with other people and the chief of police and the city council. So I'm not even gonna get into that. Like I said, I promise you, I know the law and I know my rights probably better than you do. Solve violent crime. 9%, bro. Y'all not stopping nobody from doing anything violent in our city. We got shootings and stabbings going on. Y'all can't do nothing about that, but y'all can pull people over in traffic stops. What you talking about? We had 14 black people shot on McCauley. Y'all didn't even show the fuck up. Y'all didn't even show up.
On McCauley? I'm pretty sure a lot of officers actually showed up.
No cops showed up until after people were already dead and shot and dragged.
And they performed life-saving procedures.
Yeah, after we called over an hour and nobody showed up.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I get your phone number real quick?
What?
For documentation.
Documentation for what? What have I done? I'm asking, what have I done? What are y'all getting ready to do? Why do you need my information?
We like to have information of everybody that we step out with. Thank you, Marie.
Okay, thank you.
You're citing me for a headline. I have my insurance. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Improper display of plates. What is that? What are you talking about, ma'am? Can I step out the vehicle? Just me for that. The hell? Here, because you're not gonna cite me for that.
Your tag order that
Ma'am,
instructs.
that says 23 right here. It says 23. What the talking about? That says 23.
Okay.
0523.
Miss Mott.
So please take that off.
If you would.
I'm not, ma'am, you need to take that charge off because it says 0523 right there.
It also blocks the state and your county.
Do you see how you have to pull it back, though, for you to see?
If you would, sign, like I said, it's not admission of guilt.
Bro, I need a card from every last one of y'all out here.
That's
I
fine.
promise you. I promise you.
What?
I need a card.
Yes, I know you said you promised. I didn't know what you were promising.
Because, man, it's right there. Okay. You can literally see that.
If you'll wait a minute, I'll get you a card.
You can literally see that. These are the new tags. They are discolored because they're new. What are you talking about?
Here you are. Just trying to get your headlight fixed and get that tag border off.
Man,
get you and just show up with your insurance, okay?
I got insurance. I already
Okay.
told you that.
Well, you have to have proof of insurance with you.
I have it with me.
Well, I asked for it multiple times. You told me you wouldn't show it to me. In my system, it states insurance unconfirmed. So if you'd like to show it to court, you can show proof of insurance.
I will.
Do you have any other questions for me?
No, ma'am.
Okay.